the 180-degree flip glitch. That is the exact secret to how I tricked my friends into thinking I ordered catering from a high-end brunch cafe inside my tiny apartment. If your weekend mornings are still haunted by burnt edges, raw centers, and a sticky countertop mess, you are using the wrong appliance. Let's be real. Making restaurant quality waffles in a small apartment kitchen is usually a gamble, not a choreography. Cheap irons have massive hotspots, leaving you with undercooked middles and smoking edges while your guests wait around hungry. Worse, traditional irons force you to drown the plates in oily cooking spray, turning cleanup into a nightmare of soap and regret that takes over your entire counter space. So I tested a better way, the Chefman rotating Belgian waffle maker. It uses a 180-degree flip hinge that forces the batter to spread perfectly, even across the thick non-stick plates, completely eliminating hot spots with 10 and 80 watts of rapid heat. Look at that. No cooking spray, no scraping, just flawless golden grids. One bite, and my friends literally closed their eyes and nodded. If you want to check out the current pricing and read the reviews from other small space dwellers, I've dropped the direct link in the description right below this video, but here is the twist that makes this an absolute game changer for anyone short on space. Usually rotating commercial style makers are absolute kitchen hogs. Not this one. Chefman engineered this with a brilliant, compact, vertical storage design. It frees up your precious counter space instantly by folding flat and locking into place. In that inevitable batter overflow, a clever, removable drip tray catches every stray drop, slides right out, and cleans up with a simple wipe. Before this, my weekend brunches felt hurried, compromised, and messy. After, every single pour is repeatable and reliably beautiful. The adjustable light dark browning dial lets you tweak the texture perfectly, low for pillow soft centers or higher for a satisfying restaurant crisp. Your mornings deserve precision, beauty, and mess-free cleanup without the clutter. Stop gambling on breakfast. Click the first link in the description right now to bring the Chefman rotating waffle maker home and turn your next weekend morning into an absolute celebration.